People, they found, I don't know how they did it, people, but they found a way. If you don't know what I'm talking about, hold on to your seats, man. Let's talk about it. So during trial, these messages right here were put up by the prosecutors when they were direct examining YNW Melly's ex-girlfriend's mother. They was questioning her about what she heard during the FaceTime call when YNW Melly FaceTimed his girlfriend right after the murder. Now, the mom came to trial and she was acting oblivious. She was acting as if she didn't know. She was pretty much like backdooring the prosecutors and becoming a hostile witness. The prosecutors were blindsided at this, so what they did was they pulled up these messages to try to prove that she's now in court going against everything she told us, and she's backdooring us and blindsiding us because YNW Melly paid her. But here's the thing. When you try to introduce evidence, it has to be one admissible, right? So you have to at least alert the court and alert the defense as well. The defense had no idea these text messages here exist. So to their surprise, why is it being admissible? So what happened was the defense, after everything was done, after, like court was about to be conjoined, defense attorneys stand up and alerted the courts, the prosecutors, and the judge of his plans to file for a mistrial because those messages, by all accounts, should not have been shown to the jury. And if that was shown to the jury and is not admissible, the jury has been permanently corrupted.
Understood that I was put under very strict and difficult conditions to formulate any question because defense obviously wants to limit, because they know the contents of what this individual has said and all of the statements that she has made that are damaging to their client. Hence why the state would be seeking to use her as a witness.
That means nothing, Your Honor. The fact that it's damaging, I'll concede that. It's inadmissible. And the status of this impression that there is a catch-all, we're only trying to seek justice and do good exception to all the rules of evidence. And there is no such thing. If it's admissible, admit it through an admissible procedure. You don't try and end around the court's order and the case law by coming in on assumptions and doing exactly what I told the court would happen and create an entire prejudicial fiasco and introduce inadmissible evidence into the record. That's what occurred, and this jury has been irreparably prejudiced. Or Mr. Demon's interests have been irreparably prejudiced before this jury.
Thank you. In any event, I'm going to defer ruling, take it under advisement. We'll see everybody back on Tuesday. I suggest that you talk with your client, discuss with Mr. Demons whether or not his feelings about motion for mistrial. I think it would be appropriate that he be consulted as well. But I haven't reached any conclusion about it, and so I'm going to see exactly what was said. I thought I heard what was said, and I'll check with the court reporter, get a little piece of that transcript. And
listen, this means more than likely there's going to be a mistrial. Now, when there's a mistrial, YNW Melly is coming home as they try to figure out, like how to refile this case. But here's my thing. I believe this was done intentionally by the prosecutors, and y'all tell me what y'all think. The prosecutors right now obviously don't have enough to convict this man. They don't have enough at all to convict this man right now. And that's clear by the case they're putting on. There's nothing physical that puts YNW Melly at that scene. There's nothing physical that puts YNW Melly to this murder that ties him in. So the prosecutors know they don't have enough right now. And the investigation was botched. It's called sloppy. Even their own sheriff department, the Broward Sheriff Department, called the investigation by those prosecutors and the detectives sloppy. They had to step in and try to salvage this investigation like a year ago, 1 year ago. So listen, I think it was done intentionally, man. Y'all let me know in the comment section, all right, what y'all think about this, all right? It's your boy, Poetic Flacco. I'm out of here, folks. Peace.